Hey everyone, welcome back to another Gilmore Friday. My name is Taylor and this is Budget with Taylor. So happy Friday guys, and I hope you guys are having a great Friday so far. This video, if things go according to plan, I believe is posted at 7 p.m. And I wanted to do something a little bit different because like with Gilmore Fridays, this is based off of like the Gilmore Girls series, and I believe dinner starts at 7 p.m. every Friday night. So I wanted to like let the video drop every Friday night at like 7 p.m. But we'll definitely see. If you guys are seeing this at 7 p.m., then yeah, it's in honor of like Friday night dinner. But we'll definitely see. If it's too late, then I'll just go back to like posting it like 11 a.m. Like next time around. But yeah, so let's get straight into our Gilmore Binder. Super duper cute. Yeah, I'm just loving the fact that like all of my ideas that I put together, that I had planned for like the fall, is like coming together. But anyway, for Gilmore Fridays, we will be adding $50 into, where is the money, Taylor? Here it is. All right, so $50 we'll be adding to our Gilmore Fridays. Y'all, like, I think with all of these challenges I'm doing, baby, baby. All right. All right, so, oh, we didn't put this up last time? Okay. All right, so now that this is all put together, so we last week we left off here from our Stars Hollow challenge, and this one is from the general. So next, oh my goodness, I promise y'all this was not intended. This video is posted at 7 o'clock. Friday night rolls. This was not intended for us to start this challenge. Okay. All right, so either way, we're starting this challenge, and this is my Friday night rolls. And pretty much this is just a high drama, high stakes, higher savings challenge. And it just says match the number to a course, and it just says the total savings. So pretty much this is a how to play. And it just says how to play, and it says grab your dice. You can roll a 1 for Lorelai level of chaos, or you can roll with two dices for an Emily level intensity. So your choice. I'm going to do Lorelai, and I'm going to play with 1 because we're only working with $50 today. And it says roll your dice to the course menu. Your dice decides your financial fate. Match the number you roll to the corresponding course and save that amount. So here we have the rolls. So we have, you know how in the series they always start off as drinks. So that is roll number 1. And then of course roll number 2, that is appetizers. And then roll number 3, which is the entree. Roll number 4, we need a refill because at this point Emily is giving me a headache and I need a refill on the wine. Number 5, we have dessert. And then number 6, by the end of the night, we already know Emily is going to be guilt tripping us about something that we did, and that's just that. So here I just have the amount saved, which is like 4, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, or you can set your own. So that is how you play my Friday night rolls. So let's grab our wet erase marker, because if you saw my cash stuffing video, then you would know that I use a regular marker for my 2K savings. So, all right, so I think I'm just going to, Jesus, that's crazy. Jesus be offense. I think I'm just going to go with the numbers I have set here. Ooh, I'm so scared. Okay, I kind of want to knock out these 30s so that we're like done with it. But who got what? That's what, 30 times 4. Yeah, I don't, yeah, no. All right. 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we are at the entree, and we're going to save $15. So minus 15. So this is insane. Absolutely insane. All right, so that is it for my Friday night rolls. So we have $35 left for our Gilmore Fridays. Tuck that in there. And then next we have another Stars Hollow challenge, and this one is from the General as well. And here it looks like it's just a, well, you guys can still see that. What's it called? Like rows and columns. So I don't know. But let's just roll and see. We only got $35 left. So if we roll a 20, then we still got 15. So I'm feeling pretty good. All right, so 6, and then let's roll again. Oh, okay. It actually landed on the 3, but since y'all can't see it, I'm just gonna roll again. But that would have been 1, 2, 3, Luke, which was $10. So let's see. 1, a dragonfly. So $1. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Oh wait, I can use this one. So that was a 6 and a 1. All right, so let's roll again. A 4 and a 6. Luke, so $11 is gonna go into this challenge. So minus 11. So yay. And as you guys know, I only like cash stuff with my big girl paycheck, which is my corporate job. I don't really like cash stuff or play with my side income, but I kind of want to start playing with it so that we can like really save a little bit more. But I don't know, it's just a thought. I'm definitely won't be doing like cash stuffing videos or like budget with me with like my side income, but I don't know, we'll definitely see. So that is it for that challenge, and this is another one from the General. And where is my scratchy tool? Okay, I couldn't find it, so I had to grab another one. So we're just gonna do this one. I'm pretty sure like once I like clean up after this video, it'll pop up. All right, so what do we have? I don't see anything so far. Oh, I see 2 digits. Whew, that is $10. All right, so $10 is going into this challenge. And y'all, I completely forgot. I have one more Gilmore Girls savings challenge that I completely forgot to add into this binder last week, and that one is from Blake from Wallet and Wells. So I will be adding that one in today. I kind of want to play it because we do have a lot of challenges from the General. And because we have a lot of challenges from the General, I think I'm just going to take this one out. But yeah, so this one is the Gilmore Girls Rewatch series challenge, excuse me. And this one is from Blake from Wallet Wells. So yeah, so with this challenge, we will save a total of $280. The first one is actually $20, which will mean we will have an IOU. And so I think I'm just gonna like tuck this in the back. I'm gonna like tuck this one in the back. I'm definitely gonna play it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna mark this one off. I'm not mark this. I'm just gonna tuck this back here, and then just place another one. Yeah, so $14. I'm just gonna add this $14. No, I was gonna say I'll add the whole $14 into this challenge, but I'm not gonna do that. So let's just roll to see how many we're gonna mark off. 4, and let's just do 1, 3, 6, and 9. So minus 9, which is only $5. So 5, 7, 9. Dang. I kind of want to do this one. I just don't want to have an IOU. I'm just going to mark off the last 3, which is 5. I'm just going to put the whole $14 in here. So that is 1, 3, 5. All right, so that was 14, which is a 10. 14, bada boom. But there was a 2. Bada bam. Because I'm not doing IOUs. I'm not. I'm not. All right, so that is it for my Gilmore Friday. And y'all, I completely forgot like I bulk record and I keep forgetting to show you guys the Happy Mail. So I got a Happy Mail from one of our budget bestie T over at Simply T's Plan, and I will show you guys that in a second. And it's not official until we clear this calculator, so minus the 5, bada boom, bada bam. So yeah, let's get into this happy mail from T. All right, so this is our happy mail from T. I don't know if that was her home address or not, so I just marked it out. I don't care if this shows because this is my P.O. box and it's in the description box below. But yeah, she sent me some happy mail. I don't know when she sent it. I just know that I went to go drop off some packages at UPS, like, you know, to ship out orders. And I was like, oh, let me check my mailbox. And sure enough, there were a couple of packages in there. So this one is from her, yay. And I knew what it was. On her channel, she mentioned that like she was sending me some happy mail, and she was sending me like her September Ko-Fi member challenge, and I was like, baby, send it. I wish I had some nails. Baby, send it. So here it is. So stinking cute. If y'all are not a part of her Ko-Fi members, like, yeah, if you're not a part of it, like her Ko-Fi membership, where she dropped like different challenges each month. I don't think like, I think these are like exclusive. I could be wrong. So like once they're gone for the month of September, they won't be available like next month, and you can't like purchase them from her. I could be wrong, but these are super, super, super cute. And yay, and it says, thank you for being part of the best crew. This is cutie. This is cute. And this is again her September Ko-Fi Happy Mail, which comes with a linen planner card, a laminate savings tracker, cardstock saving challenges, an 8-ball scratch off, and a leopard scratch off. I am here for it, babe. This is stinking cute. So we have a cute little bow, and then we have a, oh, this is cute. You have a budget babe. That's cute. T, I'm loving this. And I don't even like leopard. Like, I don't. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. And then we have, is this 2 challenges? Oh, it is 2 challenges. All right, so we have Fallen for Fall, which is so cute. I feel like I want to add this like my Gilmore Binder. That's cute. And then we have a Cozy Season. I'm loving this. I feel like it goes with the setup. Like, it's a vibe. Oh, it's upside down. And then we have On the Prowl. That's cute. This is definitely cute for like beauty. Super cute. And then we have a Stay Wildin'. That T, you did the damn thing. This is cute. And then we have Cat Calling. So cute. T, this is beautiful. And then we have this scratch off challenge. T, you girl, this is cute. So these amount are definitely doable. So this one you're gonna save $45, and the scratch offs range between $2 and $9. And then this scratch off you're gonna save $80, and it ranges between $5 and $15. So T, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all definitely need to join her Ko-Fi membership. So she got some cute stuff, and I'm excited to see what she's gonna launch for October. But yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. But yeah, that is it. That is it for today's video. As always, I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell because consistency. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.